The all-new Austral SUV is the replacement for the Renault Kadjar. Renault's first model to ride on the third-gen CMF-CD platform comes to replace the aging Kadjar and brings a series of novelties. The updated platform has allowed Renault to incorporate profound changes into the new model in terms of design, interior layout, driver assistance and hybrid. The interior is all new as well, moving on significantly from the Kadjar's cabin design and tech. It's based around the open-R cockpit with Android Automotive-powered infotainment displayed on a 12-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12-inch portrait-orientated central touchscreen. There's a new trim level called Esprit Alpine 2, which Renault looks to be lining up as its sportier trim for standard cars. Leveraging the Alpine sports car brand, this new specification brings a racier body kit to the Austral with exclusive paint color options and 20-inch wheels. The Esprit Alpine version also injects a bit of luxury with partial Alcantara upholstery and an apple leather steering wheel. It rides on 20-inch wheels with a black aluminum look and Alpine branding, whereas the lesser versions get smaller 17 to 19-inch alloys. It boasts an assortment of styling upgrades, including black accents and an exclusive satin shale gray body color. Power is provided by a turbocharged 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine equipped with mild hybrid tech described as being a genuine alternative to diesel. The 48V lithium-ion battery and starter motor are part of a setup making 130 horsepower channeled to the wheels via a 6-speed manual gearbox. With this mild hybrid advanced arrangement, Renault says fuel consumption is as low as 5.3 liters 100 kilometers with corresponding CO2 emissions of 123 grams kilometer. Without the mild hybrid tech, the engine would have been 20% thirstier, according to the company's internal estimations. As for the E-Tech hybrid model, it's the full hybrid model based around a 1.2-liter unit. It always starts in electric mode and can be had with a combined output of either 160 horsepower or 200 horsepower. It sips just 4.6 liters 100 kilometers and emits 105 grams kilometer, prompting Renault to say it's one of the cleanest hybrid crossovers in its segment. Renault Austral won't go on sale until the fourth quarter of the year.